I'm Carla the Carb Queen, and today my buddy Bento Brock's going to make a wonderful little dish. It's simple, it's easy, it's not exquisite, but I'll tell you, you put this out during your little buffets, family time, church time, any social event, and you will also be a carb queen.
Here's our ingredients, including our cream cheese, which has been allowed to rest at room temperature to soften, our pepper jelly, our assortment of peppers, celery, we prefer the whale tail ends, and then a spreader or a knife of some kind. I placed the cream cheese on a plate and scooped some of the pepper jelly in a bowl. This prevents cross-contamination, as nobody wants that white stuff in the red stuff. Okay, grab a pepper, lay it on down nice and softly, cut its head off, and then go ahead and take a look. Look at all those baby peppers in there. Ignore them now, and just cut that carcass right down in half. Okay, without cutting yourself, carefully remove the rib meat and the pepper babies. Don't cut yourself. Careful when cutting the direction of yourself. Careful. Look at that. Nice and smart. Okay, get them nice and clean. Toss out that head in the trash or the compost heap. Okay, after cleaning all the peppers, spread the cream cheese in an even layer. Remember to smear all the peppers with cream cheese before attempting any jelly. Get it on good. Yeah, just like that. Don't forget your whale tail celery ends. Spread it good. Spread it evenly. For demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and put on some of that jelly. Okay, watch it now. That stuff's really sticky. Yeah, it gets all over everything, and it's hard to get off. Good old washing helps. Okay, go ahead and fill those peppers. Put a nice amount on. Look at that, sticky, yummy. That's some good stuff right there. Go ahead and get them all. Okay, when we're done with all the peppers, let's send it on back to Carla.
Carla, the Carb Queen back. Bento has made a wonderful little dish. Ooh, they're rolling around. They're so tasty. Let's eat one. They're the peppers and the cream cheese and that pepper jelly. That's the real special part. That pepper jelly. It's crunchy, sweet from the peppers. The cream cheese is smooth and helps cut the heat. Ooh, it's in there from that pepper jelly. Now you can make celery ones, but I only recommend using the whale tails at the end. Using those regular little ribs, Nah, save that for that hazelnut chocolate stuff. And maybe some peanut butter. That's much better. I'm going to have another one. Thank you. Bento asks, please like and subscribe. Enjoy.